How to log into KakaoTalk online on web browser from PC. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to search for Kakao account. So here you have to simply click on Kakao account. After that, you can see this interface over here. So in order to log into Kakao, you can either enter your uh, Kakao mail ID or email or phone number. After that, you have to set up a password, and if you want to stay logged in, then you can simply tick over here and you can stay logged in and you can log in. And if you are already logged in to your mobile phone, and from there also you can scan the QR code, and from there also you can easily log into your account. And here, if you haven't created an account, then you can simply go for sign up, and from there you can easily create your account. And if your account has been hacked or deleted, then you can simply go for find account option, and from there your account will be recovered. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply go for reset password, and from over there you can reset your password. And by following this simple step, you can log in KakaoTalk online on web browser from your PC. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.